Good morning, class. Welcome to today's lecture. And today, according to your timetable, you have English literature. In English literature, we have done the explanation of the fifth chapter in the previous class, and in today's live class, we have already done the difficult words in copy also. So, in today's video, I'll be sharing you the book exercise. Okay. So, see here. This is the book exercise. Okay, so number one is tick the correct answer. The wise owl gave a suggestion. Fox could not go because he was a trickster. The crow's voice turned into a caw. The creator was drawn by the crow's song. Fill in the blanks. The creator stuck a stick into the blazing hot sun. The little animals had got buried were rescued. The little animals that had got buried were rescued. The weather in the rivers and seas had frozen to ice. He greeted Rainbow Crow kindly. The animals were pleased with his plan. Now take the correct answer. Statement number A. Statement 1. Fox liked playing tricks, so he was not trustworthy. True. Put a tick mark. Next. Rainbow Crow flew 2 days in the sky. False. He flew for 3 days. The creator was drawn by the crow's song. True. He came and saw the cuckoo was singing. False. Fire kept warm all the creatures during the cold time. True. Match the following will be your homework. It will be your part. You will do it yourself. Okay. Now, question answers I'll be giving you in copy. Match the animals to their names. Owl, wise. Fox, cunning. Rabbit, clever. Lion, majestic. And dog, faithful. Next, identify the following birds and write their names. This is parrot, this is pigeon, this is peacock, this is crane, this is vulture, and this is cuckoo. Okay, so here, next, boost your grammar. A suffix is added to the end of a verb. The opposite of suffix is prefix. So, what is a suffix? A suffix is a verb. A suffix, you can say, it is word that is added after the word, and the opposite of suffix is prefix. Like if I say wise, like if I say so wise, with wise if I add dumb, it is wisdom. Okay. Noun suffix. Look at the highlighted words. It is a noun formed by adding suffix to the adjective. See, this people who are wise do not talk about their wisdom. So here wisdom is suffix. So here complete the exercises here. Complete the following sentences by adding a suffix to the colored words. There is danger ahead. Let's not take the dangerous route. There is no hope that he will win the election. The situation is hope. The situation is hopeless. Hope and less is added. Hopeless. This tool is blunt of no use now. It is useless. The sky has been overcast with clouds the whole day. It is a cloudy day. Meena has a ring made of gold. Her golden ring is costly. So this is the thing that you have to do. Now moving to the copy work. Okay class, so you already have written yesterday's date. Chapter 5, Rainbow Crow. Difficult words you have already written. And next, meanings, students will write the word meaning from book, which is given on page number 28. You all will be writing the word meaning in copy. How you will write meanings here. Draw a column, word meaning. Write in the same way we have done like in the previous chapter here. Meanings, word here, meanings here. Numbering here, word, and here meaning. In this type of, like this you will only write in your literature copy in this chapter also. Next is sentences. Sacrifice, shimmering, destination, trustworthy, determination, melodious. These are the things that you'll be writing in your copy. I'll be sharing a PDF of it. Next is question answers. Answer the following questions. Questions are given on page number 29. Students will write the questions also. Yes, the questions are given on page number 29. You have to write the question also. First question number 1, then answer, like you have done in the previous chapters. So these are five answers that you have to do in your copy. I'll be sharing a PDF of the book work and copy work in your school app, and you'll be copying it from there. And after doing the work, you have to send the photo in your class WhatsApp group. So thank you, class. We'll be meeting in the next lecture.